Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my backyard tour. Round 20 again. Holy cow, it's like sticking. It's snowing, guys. Here's the practice facility 20 by 20. Here's the open practice field. Bam. Yeah, guys, it's snowing. We gotta hurry up. Bia! Holy God! God! There's the football corridor. Football corridor! Here is the lacrosse golden rebounder with my dad's 20 cup cadet. Husqvarna! Here is the hot tub and dock box. Guys, as you come into the facility, we have extra team space right here. Here's the locker room here, guys. Here is the Mooresville Fieldhouse. Yes, guys, I'm playing running back this year for Mooresville, North Carolina. Guys, it's snowing. For real. Oh my God, it's sticking. We're gonna have snow. I guarantee you. Here is the 2021 stadium covered in snow. Here is the Kubota Fun Zone. Here it is, guys. Yeah, guys, my camera crew can't film in the snow, so I'm doing the filming myself. There it is, guys. Here is the shed, guys. Yes, guys, I do not have school. I go to the Calabasas Community School. There it is, guys. There's where the Cub Cadets go. There it is. Yeah, guys, it is snowing right now. See, guys? Bam.